In this video, we're diving into how to use LeadPages templates effectively to create high-converting landing pages for your business or marketing needs. If you're looking for a way to streamline your process, save time, and create stunning pages that convert, this tutorial will cover exactly how to make the most out of LeadPages templates. Stick around till the end because I'll not only show you how to use LeadPages effectively, but I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial and a great alternative that might even serve your needs better. First off, LeadPages is a powerful tool for creating landing pages with ready-made templates, but it's not always obvious how to use them to their full potential. When you start using templates, make sure you begin by selecting one that matches your business goal. Whether it's for lead generation, product launches, or promoting content, your template should align with the purpose of the page. Start by thinking about what action you want your visitors to take once they land on your page. This decision will guide your choice of template. Next thing, customizing the template to reflect your branding is key. LeadPages gives you plenty of flexibility, but it's easy to overlook how important this step is. Don't just pick a template and leave it as is, tailor it to your business. Update the color scheme, fonts, images, and copy to match your brand. This keeps your messaging consistent and professional, which builds trust with your audience. The templates are a great starting point, but a little customization can make your page stand out from others using the same template. The third thing to keep in mind is the layout. LeadPages templates are already optimized for conversions, but not every page needs to be a one-size-fits-all solution. Focus on the layout to make sure it's clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Don't overcrowd the page with too many elements. Keep it focused on your call to action, whether it's a sign-up form, a product demo, or something else. Less is often more when it comes to design, especially on landing pages. Next, let's talk about testing. Templates are just a starting point, but you need to continually test and optimize your pages to get the best results. LeadPages offers B testing tools that allow you to compare different versions of your page to see which one performs better. This can help you make data-driven decisions to improve your conversion rates over time. The fifth thing, integrations. LeadPages integrates with a variety of other tools, such as email marketing software, CRMs, and webinar platforms. Make sure to take advantage of these integrations to automate your processes and connect your landing page to the other systems you use. These integrations can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're working with a larger business operation. Finally, if you're serious about maximizing the performance of your landing pages, make sure you're regularly updating your templates and content. Trends and best practices evolve over time, and staying current will help you stay ahead of the competition. Now, before you go, I want to mention that we have an exclusive offer for an extended free trial of LeadPages through our link below. But I also want to tell you about some amazing alternatives that might work even better for your needs, with great free trials of their own. These alternatives could help you reach your goals faster and with more customization options. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best deal available, exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Make sure to check it out.